All right. Well, hello there. So my name is Eddie Bacon, and I'm head of general education at Rangsit University International College. And so what I want to talk to you about today is how to schedule an appointment at the International Language Center. So one of the things that we've done differently this term is that now you can book your appointments online. Okay, so I'm going to go through a step-by-step process in showing you how to set up your appointment. Okay, all right. So let's get started here. All right. So next screen here. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to scan this QR code. And so what it's going to do is once you scan this QR code, this line QR code, then it'll bring you to this screen right here. So this is the admin or the administration page for the International Language Center. So right now it's called Admin Mio, or as an admin meow. The reason why is the person who set this up, Yumi. She I think she likes cats. But what we're gonna do is next week we're gonna change the name to International Language Center. We tried to change it now, but we can't. We have to wait 7 days before we can change it. But by next week, it will be called International Language Center. Okay. So then what you do is you click down there on the pink button where it says chat. So you can just click that chat button. All right. And then once you go there, then this screen will pop up. Okay. There up on top has a bunch of Thai written there. I don't know what it says. But you click on the bottom. You see in the bottom where it says "click here to make an appointment." So what you do is you just take your finger there on your cell phone and you click that button where it says "click here to make an appointment." Once you click that, then this screen will appear. Okay, so this is where you can make your appointment. So there are two ways you can get to this page. Okay, you can just go to the admin meow uh, line account and click the chat button, and then this screen and then you click the button to make an appointment. This screen will pop up. That's kind of the easy way, so you don't have to remember anything. Or you can just go directly to the website. Okay, the address, if you look on the top there, it's ilc.rsu.ac.th. So those are the two ways to do that. All right, so what you need to do, first of all, so when you come to the Language Center, you're going to study in groups. So what you need to do before you make an appointment is get in groups of five. Okay, so you can maybe study with your friends. Okay, you come to the Language Center with your friends. So get in groups of five. All right, and then for the first field, it says group name. So just tell us your group name. So for example, with me, I chose John Eddie's All Stars. Okay, so that then what you need to do next field, it says leader line ID. Okay, so choose one person in your group who's a leader, and then you're going to type in your line ID. So with me, my line ID, John Eddie. Okay. Next, course code. Okay, for those of you um, enrolled in relay courses. So you're gonna have these three classes: ENL 125, 126, 127. Also for the hospitality and tourism students, we're also gonna add your um, class codes on here as well, and probably tomorrow. All right. Next, the next field is section. Yeah, so you let us know your section number. Okay. And then next, we have when do you want to meet us? So this is where you're going to choose your RSC peer mentors. All right. So here you just click that button and you can choose your mentor. But first you want to do is choose the time or the day that you want to come. Okay. And you look here. The day is listed first, and it's going to be like the first three letters. So Monday would be Mon, Tuesday would be TUE, and so on. Okay. Then the next time, or after the day of the week, then you have the time. Okay. So all of you have to come for those of you in the relay courses, you have to come for 30 minutes. So you choose your time, and then you can choose um, you can randomly choose a peer mentor. Okay. What we are going to do, probably not until next month, but we are going to have profile information for each peer mentor. Okay, so that way you can see what your mentor looks like and also see their introductory video. That has not been set up yet, but we're hoping that will be done by the end of February. Okay. All right. Next, what we have here, the last button, it looks like you typed in your group name, your leader line ID, you got your course code, you got your section number, then you got your mentor who you want. So in this one, we chose Anna Zaruka or Zarkua. Okay. And last one, last thing you need to do, just click the reserve button. Okay. And once you click the reserve button, boom, this will pop up. It said appointment created successfully. Okay, so we got that done. So your appointment has been created. Okay, so you're all done, and you just want to make sure that you remember when your appointment is. Okay, and then if you do have a question, again, let's say you're on the screen, you're not sure what to do, or you have something that's not clear. See that little button at the bottom where it says yeah, support. Okay. Then that will take you to the admin line again, and you can type your question there. And we have a group of RSC students that can help you with this. All right. Okay. So it looks like that's about it. So this is a step by step process to get you through the appointment scheduling process. Very simple, very easy. Yeah, and we look forward to seeing you all soon. All right. So see you in week 4. All right.